Hello everyone, it is the Frugal Soul Gardener, and today I'm going to teach you how to save some dough on your snacks. And the way to do it is to make it yourself. If you ever looked at the cookie aisle or the snacking aisle, it's what they're asking for is so expensive. And some of them put all kinds of preservatives to keep them fresh. The thing to do is to make them yourself. And I'm going to show you the items you should have on hand so you can bake for yourself and save some dough. First off, mixes. I would get these at Dollar Tree. And this is perfectly good, especially if you don't have the items that I'm going to tell you about. I would get these at Dollar Tree. They have cookie mixes, they have brownie mixes, they have cake mixes, they have frosting. They even have pudding. Sometimes you might want to add pudding to a cake mix because it makes it moister. Pretty simple, and the directions are pretty straightforward. Next, baking soda. Baking soda is often needed in baking recipes. You can also use this for cleaning. So it does double duty, and it's really not that expensive at all. Next, brown sugar. Brown sugar is great in baking. Thinking especially like cookies. It gives cookies their lovely chew. Just really good. And of course you can also use this on oatmeal. Next, this is egg replacer. Most baking recipes call for eggs. You know and I know, eggs are ridiculously expensive right now. And you think about eggs right now, a dozen can cost you at least $8. This has the equivalent of 34 eggs, and it's only $5. Really easy to use. You're just going to add some water to this, mix it in, and you're good to go. Flour. The place to get this, Target. You get the bigger size. Yes, you can get it at Dollar Tree if you think you're only going to use flour every once in a while. But on the other hand, if you're baking a lot, just get the big bag and you'll be good to go. Sugar. This white granulated sugar. This is a baking essential. And again, your best bet would be to get it at Dollar Tree. And of course, you'll find there are more uses for sugar other than just baking. Baking powder. This is important. Now, baking powder and baking soda are both needed to make your baked goods rise, but do not substitute baking powder for baking soda or the other way around. It will not turn out the way you want to. But neither of these are very expensive. So I would start, like you've got a recipe and it says, get baking soda, go ahead and get the baking soda. And then we have a recipe calls for baking powder, get the baking powder. And in the meantime, use those baking mixes until you have everything you would need to do some basic baking from scratch. Now here's a couple of add-ons. Oatmeal. This is going to be good for oatmeal cookies. It's very inexpensive, but it's going to give you a little more variety as you're getting better. There are other add-ons. Another one is raisins. Again, you can put that and make some nice oatmeal raisin cookies. And there's all kinds of other dried fruits that you can use. So, you get these together. Now, don't feel like you got to do it all at once. Until you have everything you need to make from scratch, use those mixes. And if you do that, you will find your money dollars. They will stretch further as you learn how to make more yourself. And I just want to encourage you. You know, I know sometimes life can be hard and it can be scary, but I won't let you know something. I believe in you. You are going to make it. If we just work together, we will make it. So, until next time, happy saving.